Hey there, leather-lovin' folks! Welcome back to our channel. If you're anything like me, you want to keep your car's leather interior looking sharp and wrinkle-free. Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into 20 easy-peasy ways to remove those pesky wrinkles and creases. Let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Picture this: you step into your car, and instead of those unsightly lines on your leather seats, you're greeted with a sleek, smooth paradise. Intrigued? Stick around, cause we're about to turn that dream into a reality. Tip 1. Starting off strong, give your leather a gentle wipe down with a damp cloth. This helps relax the fibers and prepare them for the magic that's about to happen. Tip 2. Next up, grab a hairdryer and set it to low heat. Gently blow dry the wrinkled areas, but keep a safe distance. We're aiming for smooth, not crispy. Tip 3. Leather conditioner is your new best friend. Apply a small amount and massage it into the creases. This not only nourishes the leather but also helps it regain its natural shape. Tip 4. Remember those heat packs you use for sore muscles? Well, they're handy for leather too. Place a wrapped heat pack on the wrinkles and let it work its magic for a while. Tip 5. Hitting the road? Try folding a towel and placing it over the creases. Park your car in the sun, and the combination of heat and pressure will do wonders. Tip 6. Let's talk steam. Hold a steam iron above the wrinkles, making sure not to touch the leather. The steam will help release those folds. Tip 7. For those tougher creases, grab a microfiber cloth and dampen it with warm water. Lay it over the wrinkles, and use a warm iron to gently press. Keep the iron moving to avoid heat damage. Tip 8. You've got some baking soda lying around, right? Mix a bit with water to create a paste. Apply it to the creases, let it sit for a while, and wipe it away. Voila, creases be gone. Tip 9. Don't underestimate the power of your own body heat. Place a cloth over the creases and press down with your hands. Your natural warmth can help smooth things out. Tip 10. Got a garment steamer? It's a game changer for leather too. Hover the steamer over the creases and watch them vanish. Tip 11. White vinegar to the rescue. Mix equal parts with water, lightly dampen a cloth, and gently rub over the wrinkles. Tip 12. Time for a DIY leather treatment. Mix equal parts of rubbing alcohol and water, spritz it on a cloth, and gently rub the creases. Tip 13. Here's a sneaky trick. Fill a spray bottle with water and spritz the wrinkled areas. Place a plastic wrap over the damp spots, and let them sit in the sun. The heat and moisture combo will work wonders. Tip 14. Love a good workout? Roll up a yoga mat, wrap it in a towel, and place it over the creases. Park your car in the sun and let science do its thing. Tip 15. Grab a leather-safe oil, like coconut or olive oil, and gently massage it into the creases. It's like a spa day for your car's interior. Tip 16. Time for some gentle stretching. Gently pull the leather around the creases to help it regain its original shape. Tip 17. Try a commercial leather relaxer. These products are designed to soften and smooth out wrinkles. Tip 18. Got a handheld steamer? Perfect. Steam the wrinkles away while lightly massaging the leather with your hand. Tip 19. Sunlight is a natural wrinkle fighter. Park your car in direct sunlight for a few hours and let nature work its magic. Tip 20. Last but not least, prevention is key. Keep your car out of extreme heat and sunlight, and use seat covers to minimize future creases. And there you have it, folks, 20 fantastic ways to bid those leather wrinkles farewell. So go ahead, pamper your car's interior, and enjoy the sleek, crease-free paradise you deserve. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and share your success stories in the comments below.